Before you buy that Tokunbo parts in your car, watch this, because it's not all car parts that should be bought as a Tokunbo. Some are meant to be bought brand new. And one is the brake, which includes the brake pad and the brake disc. Under no circumstance should you let anybody advise you to buy a Tokunbo or a used brake pad that is the best. No. Buy a quality replacement brake pad, brand new. Brake disc also. Don't buy a used one. Buy a brand new quality replacement brake disc if you value your safety. Number 2 is the radiator. See, there's no way you will convince me that a used radiator is better than a brand new one, that Tokunbo is original. No, it's not true, because that Tokunbo is something that has been used from brand new to that level, and there may be some internal leaks that you might not even discover now until using it for a very long time. But a brand new will serve you for a long time, and if you have a bad radiator, it can damage your engine. Ask those that have experiences. So please don't buy a used radiator in any circumstances. Buy a brand new radiator. Number 3 is the battery, car battery. Even if you don't get money, buy brand new battery. Go swap your old battery, add money, buy brand new. Don't ever attempt to buy a used battery. It will disappoint you the day you don't expect. If you buy used battery from somebody, IS 2-3 months, because you don't know the essence at which the battery has been used before you bought it. So it's best to just buy a brand new one that is original. Don't buy used battery. Don't. This number 4 is spark plug. Now ain't funny to me pass. Now Tokunbo people do bypass, bros. Brand new is way better than Tokunbo. Anybody that wants to buy you a Tokunbo spark plug and they tell you that is the best, tell them to get you the original new one for spark plug, because even the old one Tokunbo which they won't buy for you. Now person use them for Nigeria here, where they can collect them from and swap, collect and down, give up. No anybody, not make everybody advise you. Buy brand new spark plug, original ones. ED. No make them scoop you. Number 5 is wiper blades. No allow make anybody tell you, see, make you go buy the fairly used wiper. It's not expensive. IS 7,000 naira, original one. Even those people that are selling it, they will tell you from between the fake and the original. If you value your visibility when it begins to rain, buy the brand new wiper blades. Those took more, they say it will last, bros. Nah lie. They said they don't know how long it will serve you. So it's best just buy the brand new. No try the used one. Number 6, fuel filter and oil filter. The reason why I'm doing this together is because most times they will tell you they will wash it with petrol and it will still work normally. No, bros. No, I'll be there wash them. No buy used one. Buy brand new fuel filter. It should be white, very clean. Oil filter too, the same thing. Once you're servicing your engine, IS 3K, 4K, the filter. Buy brand new one. Not allow me to wash them for you. Not make anybody tell you not Tokunbo. No, buy the brand new one. It's better if you want to buy oil yourself. Go to all those petrol stations that sell oil and filter together, so you're getting the original one. Don't buy used filter, both oil and fuel filter. Number 7 is the airbag. If you had issue with your previous car airbag and you're buying another one, buy brand new. No go buy used, because that used, you won't be able to verify if it's working perfectly until the day you have accidents. Because even those way they sell the used one, now motor where they know the used for they come out from. It might not be functional and there's no way you will test it until there's accidents. So it's best to just buy the brand new if you value your safety. Make you go use yourself, do experiments. The last one is the fuel pump. No buy Tokunbo or use fuel pump. Enter you want to buy it, close eye, buy original, brand new one. Because that Tokunbo, it might be near the end of its life. It has been used by someone else. And it was not built to last forever. So you don't know how long that one will last you. If you are buying fuel pump, make sure you buy a brand new one, original one. Talk to whoever is selling to you. So if you like other lists like this, or other tips about cars, like, comment, share, and follow. Bye.